Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Virgos, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Virgos. So these are for your general energies. This for your relationship. This card for your career situation, guys. Virgos. If you want more clarity, Virgos, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So let's start with these cards. So we have 8 of Suns, Temperance, and 9 of Suns in reverse. So in your circumstances today, guys, Virgos, it may be in your career circumstances or in your relationship. So you have a lot of experience and wisdom. You have gone through a lot. You know what will be the right thing to do based on your experience, and you know what is the most important thing for yourself. So you try to find that balance and harmony in your circumstances, guys. So whatever is important for you, you have a clear idea what you need to do, and you are willing to work with people. You have others welfare in your heart. You are also concerned with the people you are with, trying to work with them, trying to be patient, trying to handle your circumstances in a better way, guys. Being really flexible and helping kind nature you may have in your circumstances. So with the people you are close with, you are a very friendly person and a helpful person. You may see some circumstances, difficult circumstances in your work or in your relationship, maybe with this person you love. You never expected them to be this way. Maybe their behavior or their words have changed so much, and the reasons maybe they are feeling really sad or stressed over something. They may have someone close to them really sick, so they are worried, or they may have some financial troubles. That may be the reason they are behaving in a particular way. So there are some problems, some obstacles in your relationship, maybe, guys. But you are someone who is a really balanced mind. You know what you need to do, how to handle your circumstances with clarity and responding in the right way. So making this person feel happy and loved and cared for. So you have a perfect understanding, and you know that this person is truly a special one to you, and you want to make this relationship work. And that may be the reason you are going out of the way, helping this person, supporting them, or guiding them out of some difficult circumstances they are seeing in their life today, guys. So for your career situation, guys, it's Ace of Spheres in reverse. So you are a kind and compassionate soul, and you feel that they are someone special, someone you want to spend your life with. That may be the reason you are helping them today, guys. Maybe they are treating you badly or they are doing something, but you do not take that to your heart and you are doing the right thing today, Virgos. And if you feel that they love you, guys, and if you feel that you can totally trust this person, you can take that next step towards marriage or commitment. But if you have even a shred of doubt on this person, you must wait, Virgos, before taking the next step forward in this relationship, guys, Virgos. So for your career situation, guys, we have 8 of moons in reverse. So in your career situation, guys, you are really confident that you will be able to handle whatever comes in your way, guys. And you have that determination and a strong will to see success, and maybe whatever debts or whatever returns you are expected to make, you are doing it because you have the right plan for your career and that is working out and things are going in a positive way in your work situation, Virgos. So that is the reading with these cards, Virgos. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Virgos. For your love reading, guys, we have 2 cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys. So for those who chose this card, the first card, let's see what it is. She offers the sacred wine, so drink. So with this card, guys, the energy is that in your circumstances today, you may have a lot on your shoulders, a lot of burdens, a lot of things to do which demands your attention, which demands your work and efforts. But today, the universe or the Holy Spirit or God or whatever you call it, the higher spirit, is coming towards you with a guidance. So it is giving you a sacred wine. It may be a blessing, guys, which you never expected. It may be a blessing that is giving you peace and harmony in your heart of hearts. So maybe you should be able to receive this blessing and be ready to feel drunk with that sacred wine. So what does that mean? It just means that we must let go of all our inhibitions, whatever is holding us back today, and step forward in life wherever life is leading us. Maybe there are some offers or opportunities coming our way. It may not be according to our dream or expectation. It may be something surprising, something coming. And it is also a guidance for us to let go of all the rules and our ideals, whatever we have, and take time off, feel free from whatever is holding us back, maybe even from our day to day activities. Maybe we must take a break, feel that silence and bliss in our heart, take time maybe to relax ourselves. So, when we do that, we will feel more rejuvenated, detoxed from our day to day life. That is what this card is about, guys. So, we must put aside the seriousness we have and feel free or feel happy to do whatever we love to do or whatever comes to us. Maybe spontaneously, we may feel like doing something, maybe painting or going out, taking a break from work. So, whatever it is, it's simply going to act as an inspiration today, guys, for us. So, that is the reading with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. That is the energy. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose the second card, it is the Snow Queen, loyalty. So with this card, guys, the energy is that you are someone who is really patient and loyal, trustworthy. You are a very reliable person, friendly person, and that may be the reason people love you. And this card stands for friendship. Maybe someone has moved away from you. That person would have been your very close friend, maybe because of some addictive behaviors or something. They have moved away and they have even forgotten this friendship you both shared. But today, just because of the way you are a true friend, a loyal friend, trustworthy friend, and your patience and love towards this person has changed them today, guys. They are coming back to you. So that is what this card is about. So it may be your friend or it may be the person you love. So they are seeing things more clearly today, and they are releasing themselves from the grasp of some addictions. They would have found it really difficult till now, but today they are coming back to you, guys. They want to come back and they are giving up these addictive behavior or some kind of obsession they had. So that is the energy with this card. So you are going back to that enduring bond you both had, that love and friendship you both had. So your love and friendship has triumphed today, guys. It has triumphed over all the obstacles you had, maybe the addictions or some other obstacles it may be, guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading, guys, for you all. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.